glittery morning to my ka-beauty-natics. It's your girl, Shanna. I'm back. Thank you so much for watching my first vlog, my skincare routine. If you haven't watched it, I'll put the link below. But today, I have a revelation. Ta-da! I will be revealing what's inside my pink glittery pouch. Are you guys excited? Because I am. I really love the color of this pouch. It's glittery pink. Then, meron din siyang logo ng FIG Wellness. So, naka-plastic pa siya. So, let's remove it na. So, it's color silver. So, let's open. Tchan! So, first is the Ruby Gems Pink Tourmaline Brightening Soap. So, ito yung ginamit ko sa aking first vlog. Then, we also have Ruby Gems Pink Tourmaline Brightening Toner. And Ruby Gems Pink Tourmaline Brightening Cream. And what's inside? Also, we have the brochure. So, it's me. So, dito sa brochure na to, makikita dito yung mga active ingredients, uses, and directions ni Pink Tourmaline. So, aside from that, meron din siyang naka-embroid na original products of FIG Wellness and Products Distribution Services. This insulated foil used to maintain the temperature of its content, especially sa mga beauty products. Kasi merong mga beauty products na nag-iiba yung color or even the texture depende sa temperature ng environment. So, this pink pouch really helps to maintain the quality of my pink tourmaline collection. So, aside from that, very nice siyang dalhin sa travel kasi, kumbaga, very organized. Nandiyan mo na ilalagay lahat. Then, magaan siya, hindi siya ganun kabigat. And of course, yung glitters niya, hindi siya nag-fade or napupunta sa kamay yung glitters. Ayan. Yung quality talaga itong pouch na to is very nice. That's why I love this pouch very much. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to like our official Facebook page, FIG Wellness